DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know, say the Dan is back in the lab. And when the Dan in the lab, what we are dealing with crazy reactions and crazy what? Bangers on your head top, man. I want to hear, but they must know that by now. You see me? I think there is no different without Quill DEM. You see me? Mr. Show them up himself. You see me? This is Mr. James himself. You see me? I say, Mr. Talk to me properly. Talk to me choppily. Never cappily. Yeah, man. We there with none of that. Quill DEM, the one that name 9-8. Yo, Quill DEM is slowly becoming one of our new up and coming artists. You see, there's a new generation of artists on the rise for the young youth them. And Quill DEM is definitely one of our favorite out of them. It's slowly becoming one of our favorite. We don't solidify it, but if it don't continue to run, you see me, the way it's been doing, yeah, it's slowly becoming one of our favorite reactor. You see me, I say. So, yeah, man, we there Quill DEM, the one that name 9-8. We're going to check out and see dog I deal with Quill DEM, bad artist. I think it's at night time. I do him thing. Dog definitely have a potential to solidify him space in the dance hall. You see me? Just have to do the thing right. But yeah, man, before you jump in that chat, gang, make sure you stay prayed up. You see me? Make sure you're making every day count. And I hope you're taking steps towards your goals and dreams, you know. Yeah, man, time of the day for waste, man. So don't waste it. You see me? I say anything you believe, you can achieve. That's facts. Don't listen to nobody. And people have to know where you work today. They have to believe in your dream. And you just have to believe in your dream and where you are work on. Don't watch people. You see me? Them not gonna see it till you do it. You see me? Anyway, gang. They had Quill DEM, the one named 9-8. You see me? I check it out and see your dog I deal with. Quill DEM, bad artist. Man, now well, let's get it. Quill DEM 9-8, let's get it, gang.
9-8. Yo, 4-5. Skiller.
RB Visuals.
Nah, boy, I'm a dog.
Yo, Cardo, this
In
is
the game, I'm an half attack. Broke skull and have millions, we ask for card. 9-8 on the line, better stay.
Okay, alright.
The yard. We buy guns with clip a curve up. Bitch them curve up. This no stick 7.630. Shot them and laugh, don't think a circle. 6-4 a burble when it's circle. Take up your phone and get to work. Now me hands out there for drag you, I'm certain. Inna the game with a shell like turtle. Now me religion true, and my jeans are purple. You them a do it, I'm a state of work. To what the fuck on the mean, so we don't need the word. To get your blood class speaker, earpods turn up. If you listen me tune, make sure you turn up. Blast my voice so till the speaker burn up. Epic inna the chopper, tell a bitch fi turn up. Out a dozen bad bitch inna the chopper, pack pill fi turn up.
Alright. Me been one pull it up, bro. Me been one pull it up, but me I say hold on there. Una just say me pull up too fast. Nah, man. Me like this Quill DEM. We only buy guns with curve up, and we bitch them curve up. This no stick, nigga. Hey boy. No, we not do. No, not do. Come in, Quill DEM. Run it back. 9-8.
Yo, 4-5. Skiller. Nah, boy, I'm a dog.
NPT.
Cardo, this
In
is
the game, I'm an half attack. Broke skull and have millions, we ask for card. 9-8 on the line, better sell the yard.
I don't for big up your blood clot self, yo.
We buy guns with clip a
Curve
curve
up.
up.
I'm a bitch them curve up.
This no stick 7.630. Shot them and laugh, don't think a circus.
This no stick 7.6. What? 7.6 boy. You the first man. Your boy. We buy guns them a curve up and we bitch them curve up. This no stick man yo. Hey.
Sell the yard. We buy guns with clip a curve up. Bitch them curve up. This no stick 7.630. Shot them and laugh, don't think a circus. 6-4 a burble when it's circle. Take up your phone and get to work.
Say, shut a laugh, don't think a circle. Hey.
Millions out there for drag you, I'm certain. Inna the game with a shell like turtle.
Yes.
I'm a religion true, and my jeans are purple. The youth them a do it, I'm a state of work. To what the fuck on the mean, so we don't need the word. To get your blood class speaker, earpods turn up. If you listen me tune, make sure you turn up. Blast my voice so till the speaker burn.
Man say, blast you speaker headphones. If you listen to me tune, make sure you turn up, you know. The man not talk about the volume. Listen.
It work to what the fuck on the mean, so we don't need the word. To get your blood class speaker, earpods turn up. If you listen me tune, make sure you turn up. Blast my voice so till
Man I talk about money wise, go chop something. Come in.
speaker burn up. Epic inna the chopper, tell a bitch fi turn up. Out a dozen bad bitch inna the chopper, pack pill fi turn up.
Yeah.
Pull over the bar, then me just chop it up and leave the studio.
Yeah.
Skella done this, tell me the blood clot, wait ya soon done. Pull over the bar, then me just chop it up and leave the studio. Skella done this, tell me the blood clot, wait ya soon done. I hope you slow me down, my dog, I hope you stop the thing we been. I do this figure for them, I nominate me king. Me have to rise above the stars, and even if me have to sin.
Easy. I got chop no blood treated. Hey, Quill DEM.
Wait ya soon done. Pull over the bar, then me just chop it up and leave the studio.
Oh, poor the producer out there gang. Okay, pull them. Alright.
Skella done this, tell me the blood clot, wait ya soon done. I hope you slow me down, my dog, I hope you stop the thing we been. I do this figure for them, I nominate me king. Me have to rise above the stars, and even if me have to sin. Me have thugs willing to kill, thugs willing to sin, thugs willing to name them food for your brick. I'm a rock back, Glock transform when that slam back, you still lift boy chin.
Easy. I'm here, man. Yeah, man, I'm here, brother. Yeah, man, the Glock transform and I'm a rock back in a boy. Hey, boy, you
I do this figure for them, I nominate me king. Me have to rise above the stars, and even if me have to sin. Me have thugs willing to kill, thugs willing to sin, thugs willing to name them food for your brick. I'm a rock back, Glock transform when that slam back, you still lift boy chin. Them a beat them now kill nobody. Steer tone a be rubber grip, measure them. We no fear nobody. Them now.
Papa them. Come in.
Track no money, buck boys call and broke boys call. Take that number and change that code. Ramp with me, James knock by your door.
Ramp with me and James knock by your door. Who's James, brother? Come take Mr. James was a blood clean. It's a song, you know, was a client in chap, you know. I want Mr. James. I want James.
The youth them a do it, I'ma see it work. To what the fuck on the mean, so we don't need the work. To get your blood class speaker, earpods turn up. If you listen to my tune, make sure you turn up. Blast my voice up till the speaker burn up. Epic inna the chopper, tell a bitch fi turn up. About a dozen bad bitch inna the chopper, pop pill fi turn up. I'ma bitch them carve up. This no stick.
Come in.
7 pints in circle. Shot them and laugh, don't think a circle. 6-4 a burble when it's circle. Take up your phone and get to work. No millions out there for drag you, I'm certain. Inna the game with a shell like turtle.
Millions out there for drag you, I'm certain of that. Go on now, man.
Now me religion true, and my jeans are purple.
Easy now, man. Bumbo blood. Quill DEM. Bloods and scare, go and do your thing, youth. Young youth in a game, man. The man mash up your thing, brother. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, bro. Quill DEM? Yeah, man, you definitely have a place in the dancer, brother. You just gotta keep making the right moves, my G. Keep making the right moves, dog. They can't stop you, gang. And the night time I said to, yeah, you in the right circle, bro. You see me, who them a producer beats. If I put them a produce all of your beats them so far, he's doing a great job. And put them, if you're making beats, bro, and you're a producer, dog, you're doing a great job, dog. You see me and say, yeah, man, you soon, yeah, man, keep going. You're gonna be a big producer too. And you link with Adolfo bad artists, Will bad artists. Keep doing your thing as a young youth. The Triano, I'm a bad man. No, I lie. You see me and say, so I know one thing about the one day. In the comment section, gang. If you like it, definitely show the artists all over support, making us at the dance, you know. Also, drop your request so you can get your shout out. You see me? Let's get a dialogue going. Let me know what your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Yeah, man. Back in the studio. You see me? I'm active gang. You see me? Road to 10K now. We now play with them. I 10K this year, you know. No jokes. You see me? Yeah, man. So hit the like and subscribe button, bro. We're growing. Next year, we're hitting 50, 100K. No cap, bro. We're going hard. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.